The opportunity was too good to pass up with a customer that was looking to reshore some parts. And we wanted to find a partner that could provide not only machines, but provide a solution for us and really help us get into the Swiss machining market.
So in 2022, we received the inquiry from you guys, and obviously a big program. What made L.G. Evans kind of check all the boxes for you that we were the right solution for you guys?
Yeah, great question. So when we initially sent out the request for proposal and started asking machining providers and telling them about our problem, we really didn't know anything about Swiss machining. We knew we wanted to get into it, but at the end of the day, we needed to make a specific type of part. We needed to do it in a relatively risk-free way, and we had a pretty significant ramp up that we needed to achieve. And what checked the boxes for L.G. Evans is you guys provided us a solution. We weren't looking to buy a machine. We weren't looking to try to piece together solutions from 5 different providers. We needed one solution from one place, and you guys knocked that out of the park.
Thank you, thank you. So you basically hit a hot button for me. Because when I got into this business in 2004, that was the one thing I did is I interviewed 3,000 machine shops. And their number one complaint was from machine tool builders and dealers was lack of service, lack of application support, lack of response. And I prided ourselves, built my company around supplying those services. So now it's a year later. I mean, how would you say we did on that?
I gotta find some wood to knock on.
Here, you knock on my head.
Yeah, right. I never expected it to go this well, to be honest. How quickly we were able to ramp up, and you and your team, you know, to come in here and really guide us, train up the staff, and get them running the machines. The first month, we've exceeded our uptime on all other machines. The Swiss has exceeded uptime, yeah. Our most effective cell right now is our Swiss cell. And we've been machining for a little bit now. You know, we have some experience, but we're really impressed with how well we were able to get up and get running. And I think it's a testament not only to the equipment, but L.G. Evans offering a whole solution. You know, not just the equipment on the floor. It's making sure everything works together, making sure you have the collets, making sure you know what material to buy and where to get it, and it's programmed right with the right tools. It's all that nuanced stuff in between that moves from selling hardware to selling a solution, and that's where you guys knocked it out of the park.
Well, thank you. Thank you. That's like dear to my heart because that was my goal in 2004 to build a company around those principles.
Yeah.
So that's fantastic.